Okay, good. Here we go.
Ladies, gentlemen,
What's up?
kids,
Look, it's too dark.
welcome to the Niagara Gorge Discovery Center Elevator Experience. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Albert Foslow, and I will be your guide. We, that is you, will descend 300 feet into this shaft carved out of solid rock.
Suckers.
As you descend,
Seriously, that's a rocket.
Fake anyway. This thing is fake.
wonders contained
They said it's fake.
amazing rock
So it doesn't matter. It's still cool.
I thought we was.
We'll be starting any second.
I thought we was really going, but it's fake.
Disconnection
What you
error.
see out the window is the film or topsoil.
They get one more
Familiar
touch on the
with topsoil, yes? All right, moving on. Now, folks, here is the first rock layer we come to on our trip. This is a type of rock known as the Lockport Formation. We call it a formation because it's only one kind of rock. In this case, we have limestone and dolostone. 420 million years ago, this area was part of an enormous coral reef that extended from Wisconsin in the west to Rochester, New York in the east. And the resulting rock contains cavities.
Power goes out.
That allow for the
said if the power goes out.
of certain minerals.
They have to be by law.
Dolomite and calcite crystals to selenite and alabaster gypsums can be found. Now, the crystals and minerals
Look at 'em.
grow right inside the holes. You should be able to see some of these.
A lot of snakes down here, too.
In the rock strata.
A lot of snakes.
And there are plenty of
They like the rock.
fossils
They
in
like
this
the
rock,
sun
too,
and the rock, so be
including
careful.
fossil
Seriously, I'm not kidding you at all.
crinoids,
And they'll bite you, Tim.
Are we really going down? Is there presidents? Yeah, we're really going down.
What?
Niagara Falls is not
Not venomous, no.
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 They're constrictors. They're constrictors. They wrap around the victim and choke them to death.
Well, you know where to go? You tell them where to go?
Yeah, but then the
Hang on, everyone. We're continuing our way down. As we you descend.
He's like me.
You'll see a slight change in the rock strata. Now, this is the decayed dolostone. Scientists believe that this rock layer was originally made of lime mud, or mud that was comprised
Looks
of
muddy.
small
It does.
of calcite. This mud became compressed over a long period of time and changed
It ain't so
for
scary.
No, I thought it was.
into
I thought it was
the
real
dark
elevator. I thought the real
but
one.
because it's a
Yeah,
relatively
I'm like,
small
no.
layer,
Well, they do drop you. I mean, they do drop you down. They just don't
we'll
drop you
continue
300
on to
feet.
the next stratum of the Rochester Shale.
It's softer.
Here we have the Rochester Shale. This dark gray layer of shale and shaly limestone was formed over 420
Right there.
years ago, when this whole area was part of a shallow salt.
So this is some of the lower layers right here. When you look at the gorge and you look at the bottom, those are the oldest layers. The top are the newest layers. This makes sense.
Just make sure you get a signal here just in case those doors don't open. Make sure you get a
They'll
signal.
open. We'll kick them out.
I just thought
We'll
you-
do it.
Everybody rush in.
I'm getting up here and that roll.
Trilobites. Look at them.
Rhyozoa was similar to coral.
This is my dream.
Because they had
These are some of the oldest living things in the world.
in which
Is that the Beatles on your shirt?
Yes.
Yes,
Isn't
it
it cool?
is. It's Abbey Road.
It is.
Okay, fellow rock hounds, we're burning daylight. Well, actually, there isn't any daylight down here, so I guess that's not quite accurate. Down we go. Now, folks, we'll be passing through several shallow layers of rock, each about 6 to 10 feet thick. The first is the Arundecut limestone. Then we see
There it
the
is.
Follies limestone. Next, the Niagra shale. And finally, the last of these layers, the Thorn sandstone. Now, let's pick up the speed a little as we move on to our next stop, that of the Grimsby Formation.
Hey, don't sound like that black one.
Now stopping at the Grimsby Formation. And you'll see it's kind of red. That's due to the presence of iron in the rock. Now, as this layer was forming, the sea
you just went over the rock.
retreated, depositing the sediment above
Just
sea
mine it.
level. Remember, the lower we go in the shaft, the farther back in time the rocks were formed. Now, we won't see as many fossils in this layer, primarily because the sea in which they lived had retreated. Now, you, are dropping deeper and deeper into the shaft as we go farther and farther back in time. The next change you'll notice out the window will be the Power Glen Shale. Below that is the Whirlpool Sandstone. These layers of rock were formed over 425 million years ago. They consist of sand and mud that became compressed to create the rock you see here now. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching the lowest layer of them all. The Queenston Shale. 450 million years ago, there was a vast mountain range caused by North America bumping up against the continent of Europe. Millions of years worth of erosion caused a vast alluvial plain, a kind of ancient river delta, to cover this entire area. And remember, when these red sediments were laid down, it was real hot, due to the fact that at the time, this region was some 20 degrees south of the equator, real tropical territory. These sediments eventually hardened into the Queenston Shale. Well, there you have it. All the way down and all the way back in time. 440 million years.
Yeah.
Good job, Ethan. You got it going back up. Okay, staff. You're really back and so shaky. I can't.
Is everyone up? Okay. It appears that we may have a slight problem with the elevator car.
What?
As soon as we can ascertain the trouble, I'll get you on.
No, it's trying to go.
You jinxed us, Mr. Broker.
Seems as if one of the electrical levers has shorted out and it's causing the elevator car. Nothing to be worried about. It's been happened from time to time. It seems that we found a solution to our situation. We are at this very moment lowering a motorized winch that will attach to the top of the car.
Can't see you. I want to see your face. Look at Mr. Broker. Look at Mr. We're going back down.
We're making our way to the surface. Be sure to breathe deeply in through the nose out.
Oh my gosh, I'm shaking.
Excuse me.
Please remain in a standing position until the elevator
This guy ever walked out. He didn't really fart. This reminded me of a space trip
Feliz. Gloria.
It's a pleasure to give you this
Remember the
small
space trip
glance
we
into
used
the
to take
past.
at,
So everyone, have a great day.
Bye, Ken.